Hi, and welcome to Doctor's Financial. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, my name is Dr. V. In this video, I'm going to be going over some of the things I'm looking forward to in the stock market in this last week of April 2021. Before I get started, I kindly ask, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, but most of all, share with others. I'm quickly approaching 100 subscribers, and I thank each and every person that has subscribed already, and I look forward to reaching that milestone. Like Zechariah 4:10 says, don't despise these small beginnings. Alrighty, let's get into what I'm going to be looking forward to this upcoming week in the stock market. Some of the big tech companies will be reporting earnings this week, and it's kicking off tomorrow, Monday, with Tesla reporting after the market closes. On Tuesday, we got Google reporting. Wednesday, Apple will be reporting. And on Thursday, Amazon is going to be reporting. Tesla, Google, Apple, and Amazon, they hold a lot of weight in a lot of the ETFs that I hold. So I'm looking for them to do big things to push those ETFs forward. Let's hope for some good earnings and good things coming from these companies. Now, as we continue to get out of the EV and speculative stock market crash that happened in February, March, April, let's see going into May, will some of the more speculative stocks start creeping up. I love what NIO did this past week. Let's see if NIO can start forming a base in the low 40s, somewhere in the low 40s, either $40.50, 41, 41.50, somewhere around there, begin to serve as support as NIO continues to rise forward in these upcoming weeks and months. I'm also looking at some of my more even speculative plays. Let's see what NNDM begins to do. Let's see what BNGO begins to do as they get out of the crash that just occurred and begin to start trending further upward. I'm looking for big things going into May out of those two companies as well. Finally, two stocks that I spoke about last week, I'm definitely keeping my eye on. SKLZ had an amazing week last week, and Mvis, which I talked about twice already last week, had an awesome week. I already spoke about how it's Wall Street Bet and some of the Reddit family, how they got a hold of that stock and they may be running it up with a short squeeze. So let's see if that continues, and let's see where it goes in the upcoming week. I really have my eye on Mvis and what it's going to be doing. So those are some of the stocks I'm going to be looking at this week. Quick recap: Tesla, Google, Apple, Amazon, looking at their earnings. NIO, I'm looking at that to begin to form support somewhere in the low 40s and continue to ride up from there. NNDM, BNGO, looking for them to begin to make some moves as more of our more speculative plays begin to start trending upwards again. And of course, Scales and Mvis. Guys, I thank you so much for rocking with me. Continue to do your research. Continue to learn all that you can about investing. Please know you got somebody that's rocking with you that wants to see you succeed. I am so sincere and so passionate. That's the main reason. That's the only reason I even started this channel, is to see others succeed with their investments and to reach financial freedom and financial independence. You deserve it. You are worth it. You have somebody on your side that's rooting for you. If you need me, reach out to me. But most of all, continue to just keep rocking with these videos and keep doing your due diligence. All right, guys, that's what I have for you in this video. I'm praying that each and every person is safe. Each of you all are blessed. Each of you all continue to succeed with your investments. All right, that's what I have for you in this video. You guys be blessed.